Okay, Alka-Seltzer experiment. This is the warm water beaker at 73.4 degrees. This is the room temperature water beaker at 20.6 degrees. This is the cold water beaker, and that beaker is at 4.5 degrees. I'm going to put the Alka-Seltzer tablet into the first beaker, and then we will time it. Okay, somehow I wasn't recording, but the hot water beaker was 17.57 seconds for the Alka-Seltzer to finish. I'll put it in the middle beaker, which was the room temperature water beaker. And we'll actually try to make sure the video is running at this time. Go. So you can see there's fizzing. Now in the hot water beaker, it was much more vigorous, and again it was over by now. It was over by 17 seconds. You can see there's the tablet is still kind of wavering around in there. And are we done? No, we're still got a little bit at the top. And done. So 1 minute and 77 seconds. So 60.77 seconds. Okay, we'll do the last reaction. I only had these 3 tablets, so I can't redo the first beaker. Sorry about that. But let's do this last one in the cold water beaker. Okay, start. I think you can see it's noticeably less bubbling. Way less vigorous. And we're just going to let it run. While that's running, actually, I have a broken Alka-Seltzer tablet here that I'm going to put in the hot water beaker just so you could just see how vigorous that was going. We won't really time it, but just so you can see how much more vigorous compared to the cold water beaker. Again, this was a broken tablet, but you get an idea of how that first one would have reacted while the video was not running. My fault. Looks to me like there's still about half a tablet left in the cold water beaker. Look at that, over 2 minutes, and the tablet is still there hanging on. There's still a tiny little bit. Turn it around so you can see it down there. We're already over 3 minutes. And still a little bit left. Up to 4 minutes plus. And I am going to call it. So 4 minutes, 18 seconds. So the total time there in seconds is 258.60 seconds. So even if you weren't able to physically do the lab, you could at least see the difference. First of all, you can see Alka-Seltzer reacting, and then how it reacts with water. And you can see the significant difference between the hot water, room temperature water, and ice cold water.